This is just a short video for Halloween, just to show you some things that you can put together for your Color Computer 3. I It's built on stuff that we've done in all the various lessons. I captured this pumpkin from off the internet. I used CoCo SC to convert it to something I could use for a background. I did a video on CoCo SC a long time ago. And once I had it captured, I used the code that I shared with you in lesson 18 called letters. I use letters to manipulate and put the happy Halloween on the screen, and that's about it. There's no code here. I mean, you can do this yourself. It's just stuff that I've already shared with you how to do, and you can do it yourself. So let me uh, get out of this here and show you how. There's a basic program. Okay, and all it does is load up the things we want to do. Load up that letters 256. So this screen is a 256 by 192 16 color. We'll load that letter stuff up in my memory. I've got another file out there, pumpkin F bin. Okay, and that actually has the image and then the actual code I wrote to use all the above this pumpkin bin. So just run this. It will load it all. I'm going to go run it right now. And it will load all three of them. Takes a little bit here to get it all loaded. And it tells you they're all loaded. Type exe execute to execute it, and then after it's running, Q to exit it. So I'll type execute, and we will run it. There's our image and the letters stuff that, like I said, I did for lesson 18, just manipulating the various letters around. Get them all on the screen. And it will flash that that register that the letters are in to change colors. That's it, just something to share. I'll put a disk out there that has the programs on. There's no source code. You can figure out how to do it yourself. But anyway, here's a Halloween screen for your Color Computer 3. That's it.